Let's see how to fix Instagram challenge required. And if you open your Instagram, it is showing the challenge required or an error. So all you can do is that you can hop into the Play Store or App Store. You can search for Instagram. That might be a bug sometimes, and you need to clear that with an update. So you can go for searching Instagram. If it shows you update, then you can make sure you're updating the app. Otherwise, if you show open, all you know is that your Instagram is full on date, and you can do is that you can go to the settings, scroll to find apps. There you can search for Instagram, or otherwise you can scroll down to find Instagram. So let's say here's the Instagram. You can do is that you can clear data, you can uninstall it and reinstall it again. Still, if this doesn't fix your problem, you can go to your Instagram, tap on your profile, top three lines. You can scroll down all the way to find logout. You can tap on logout and log out of that account, and you can again log in into that account. Still, this doesn't fixes your problem. All you can do is that you can check your phone and it will get you report a problem. So you can report problem, preparing bug report. It will show you that and including continue. So you can explain whatever happened to you and what that Instagram is doesn't working for, and you can send a screenshot through it and they'll get back to you. Thank you.